Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a RERA complaint online. First, navigate to your specific state's RERA authority website. Look for the dedicated section for complaint registration, usually labeled File Complaint or similar. You will need to register as a new user or log in if you already have an account. Carefully enter all your personal information, ensuring every detail is correct before proceeding to the next step. Next, you will need to provide comprehensive details about the project and the promoter. This includes the project's registration number and the promoter's full name. Articulate your grievance clearly and concisely in the provided text area, explaining the issue in detail. Crucially, upload all relevant supporting documents, such as your agreement for sale, payment receipts, and any communication records. Make sure these files are in the accepted formats and sizes. After detailing your complaint and attaching documents, the next step is to pay the required filing fee. This fee is usually a nominal amount, often around 1,000 rupees, and can vary slightly depending on your state's regulations. You can typically pay this securely online using various payment methods. Before final submission, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you have entered and the documents you have uploaded. Once satisfied, click the Submit button. Upon successful submission, you will receive a unique complaint reference number. It is vital to save this number, as it is your key to tracking the progress of your complaint online. The RERA authority will then review your submission and begin the necessary proceedings. Be prepared to attend any scheduled hearings or provide additional information if requested by the authority. The process aims for a fair resolution, typically within 60 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.